Visit TourAlbertaForCancer.ca and click on 2024. From the fundraising info menu, click on fundraising tools and tips. At the bottom of the page is a link to download your social media kit. There's a bunch of files in here, but today we're looking at Instagram. Open up the PDF to customize your post. Scroll down until you see the link to get into Canva. Once in Canva, you can log into an existing Canva account or create a free one. You do not need the pro account to do this. Click on File and then make a copy. This will allow you to customize the template. Scroll down to the template you want to use and click on Upload. Upload files will allow you to choose some images from your computer of your participation in the tour. Once you're happy with an image, click and drag it into the frame. Double-click the image and adjust the size and how it lays. Once you're happy with that, you can download or you can go to the next template. At the bottom, there's one where you can add in the name of who you tour for. I'm going to put Mum. Choose the image you'd like from your uploads and click and drag it into the frame. Double-click to adjust it in the frame. Once you're happy with this, click Share and then Download. Choose the image file that you'd like to use and the pages that you want to download. I'm going to choose the two that we customized and then hit Done. Hit Download. Once it's downloaded to your computer, you can click the link to see where it's saved. Now let's head to Instagram and create a new post. Upload the image that you just saved on your computer. You'll have to adjust the size so that the original is shown in full. Hit Next and Next again, and it will ask you to put in a caption. Back in the PDF in the social media kit, you will see some templated messages that you can use. Simply copy and paste that into your caption, or adjust it with your own reasons for why you're doing the tour. Tag Tour Alberta for Cancer and Alberta Cancer Foundation so we can help engage with your posts. Visit our YouTube channel for more tutorials or reach out for support. Happy fundraising!